Hi, this is Yad Ali for Object-Oriented Programming. In this quick tutorial, we'll try to solve the problem of class not found exception. The class found exception that you might encounter when you use Eclipse usually happens when the class loader is not able to find the class in the specified folder. You get an error similar to this. Could not find or load main class at the project and class name. How to fix this? First, you need to make sure that JDK is installed successfully in the specified folder. How you do this? Usually go to the command line and type java-version. Here I am at the command line. I'm going to type java-version. I get an output similar to this. If you get an error or class not found or any other error message, then you have a problem with JDK, not in Eclipse. To check if the compiler is installed successfully, Java-C, you get something similar to this. This is step 1. In step 2, you need to locate the folder where your JDK is installed. Usually it's inside the program file Java JDK something, depending on which version is installed. Let me go to the Explorer. Here is my JDK. It's installed in program files Java JDK 15.01. The third step is to go to Eclipse and make the necessary changes. We need to set Eclipse to use the right GRE. Here in my Eclipse, I intentionally created a project with an error resulting from a wrong GRE. How to fix it? Go to Window, Preferences, search for Install GREs, select this one, click Edit, and as you see here, this is the GRE home. This is the current one that is used. This is wrong. I need to select the right one. I go to the right folder, click on this, Java 15, select folder, finish, apply and close. And all the errors disappeared. I can now run my program. So in short, check that JDK is installed properly, make sure you know the right folder, and finally from Eclipse go to Window Preferences, install GREs, select the right folder, click Finish and apply.